cos of A, okay, you should get at the end of it negative 0.7798. Okay, now there may be some confusion here of how you want to solve this. So I'll show you the two ways. So the first way is quite standard. You just do A and then you cos inverse and then you put in the value straight away, okay, which is negative 0.7798. Okay, obviously you're going to get one answer only from this, which is going to be 141.24 degrees. Okay, so that's two decimal place, by the way. And the other way, which follows more towards the logical reasoning and step-by-step process of how you solve maths. Can you see there's a negative here? And what we normally do is with the negative is we just find our reference angle first. Do you remember how we have acute and obtuse solutions? So actually, there is an acute and obtuse solution for this case as well. And we can find it in this question. Okay. If you want to just find the answer straight away, it's like this. If you want to know how to truly understand how you solve for the question, okay, this is option 2. Okay. Both methods work, but number 2 is what I prefer because it's more true to the method of solving. Okay. So first of all, we're going to have something called a reference angle. I always put it like this. And then you cos inverse. You don't take the negative. You just put 0.7798. Okay. Why? This reference angle, we just call it, it is related to a negative. Negative, huh? You just put your sign here, negative. If it's positive, you put positive here. Okay. So once you solve this, you will realize that your reference angle, which is in the negative quadrant, should be 38.76 degrees. Okay. So if it's actually better to put more decimal place, so it becomes 577. Okay, for example. So this is the acute answer. That means maths doesn't know is it acute triangle or is it obtuse triangle. They doesn't know, but you know. You are the mathematician here. Solve this. You have your reference angle. So how do you know? How do you get back to this solution? Okay, and you realize also actually this is one of the solutions later. Okay, so negative reference angle 38. So what do? I draw my quadrant. So this is cos, right? Where is cos negative? Cos is negative in the second quadrant here. Okay, because the A, S, T, C, right, is either in the second or third quadrant. But this one does not make sense for this solution because acute and obtuse. Okay, so what do? We do 180 minus 38.77577. Okay, so from this you will get your answer 141.24 degrees. Okay, so again, just to repeat, negative, where is cos negative? It is in the second quadrant. Negative, you find it here. So you take the 180 minus, then that is our solution. Okay, so that's how you get this guy. Just to have you clear, so one more thing, what is this answer mean actually? This answer means there is another triangle, which is the negative solution, which could look something like, let's say, okay, this length is the same as here. Okay, so the triangle looks like this. Okay, so this is your acute answer, where it is 38.7577 blah blah blah. Okay, this is your C, and then this is 18 cm long, and then this is your 12 cm long. Okay, hope you understand.